Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to add Google Gemini to Chrome. So the Chrome extension for Gemini does not exist, maybe yet, or maybe it will exist in the future. But for now, there's no desktop or Chrome application that you can just install automatically and use within Chrome. But instead, I have a very handy trick for you guys that I will show you that I actually myself also use. So just navigate to Google Gemini. Google, let me see, Gemini. Just simply type it in on the Google search and navigate to the page. Okay, just like this. And once you're here, we're going to do a little trick that Chrome itself supports. So guys, if you maybe notice, if I go to my Gemini, as you can see, I don't have the it's not just a page, so it's actually an app that I can show you how to install. As you can see, there's no search bar, no address bar, no nothing like that. It's just a app that I installed within Chrome. So how do you do this? So you just go three dots right here, then you go cast, save, and share, and then you choose install page as app, like this. Then you just choose and give it a name, and then press install here with this blue button. And then after that, you can just open up your start menu and you can see I have the app here, Google Gemini. So this is actually the app that was installed within Chrome. If I click on it, the window will open right over here. As you can see, it's Gemini, but inside Chrome's native application installer. And now within it, without installing any extensions or nothing like that, any programs, you can just use it like you would in the browser. That's it. Enjoy and subscribe.